I used to see the morning light, the colors bold, the sky so bright. But day by day the edges blurred, and silence fell where colors stood. At first I laughed, said it's okay. I blinked it back, I hid the gray. But lines on pages slipped away, and fear grew stronger every day. The world I knew was fading slow, but deep inside a fire would grow. Even in the dark, I shine, I find my path, this heart is mine. I stumble, fall, but still I climb. With every step I own my time. You don't need eyes to chase a dream. I see with hope, with quiet gleam. The stars may hide, the lights decline, but even in the dark I shine. I walk through halls I couldn't see, but found the strength to still believe. Each word I heard I held so tight, and made the dark my second sight. They saw the cane, not all I bear, but I kept rising, I was there. Even in the dark I shine, I shape my world with voice and mind. No fading light can stop this soul. I may be blind, but I am whole. For every shadow there's a flame. I stand with pride, I speak my name.